Does look amazing.
Oh my, look at this. Rich, creamy, and absolutely impossible to eat just one slice of.
A chocolate pie so easy, it almost feels illegal.
Today, we're making Bishop's chocolate pie on Recipe Box Rewind, where we bring old family recipes
And memories.
back to life. Now, right away, I love this recipe card.
Yeah, look, it's handwritten. It's a little stained. There are only like 4 ingredients here, Bill.
And seriously, do you need any more than this? Milk, ice cream, instant chocolate pudding, and whipped cream.
And that's not baking. That's dessert wizardry.
I love it. All right, let's make this thing.
All right, so step 1. The recipe calls for 1 cup of milk. In making this the first time, it was a little bit too thick, and I could hardly pour it or spread it around. So I would suggest that we go with 2 cups of milk.
All right, 2 cups of milk, and then we're going to go with 1 cup of softened ice cream.
And honestly, softened ice cream might be one of the great joys in life.
That it is. Then 2 packages of, note, instant chocolate pudding.
Yes, not cook and serve, Bill.
Nope, I made that mistake. My lovely wife here and Recipe Box Rewind partner on the show looked at me like, what did you just buy?
Yes, you have to have the instant pudding pie filling, not the cook and serve.
Duly noted. Yes, dear.
And as the card says, beat
very well. You know, I think Ellie was serious about that instruction.
Like if this pie failed, it was your fault for not beating it very well.
That's right. So you're doing a very good job at it. And while Randal is doing her thing, if you're enjoying Recipe Box Rewind, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an episode.
Then we're going to pour it into the pie crust and spread it all around.
And look at that goodness right there. So good.
And then into the refrigerator for about a half hour.
All right, so the pie is in the fridge doing its thing. Tell us about Bishop's chocolate pie.
So Bishop's was an Iowa-based cafeteria and buffet restaurant chain that became a major Midwestern institution for decades. It grew to 35 locations. So, and what was cool is you grabbed the tray and you'd move down the serving line. And the cool thing about that is that the dessert station often came first in the cafeteria line, which was so dangerous for us kids.
Oh my gosh, what a treat.
It was the best.
And we thank Ellie for figuring out how to make the Bishop's chocolate pie, and we're making it here today. All right, so let's pull this beauty out of the fridge.
Oh, yeah. That is silky chocolate goodness right there.
And then just top it with generous whipped cream. When I mean generous, basically the whole tub. That whipped cream is so deep. If I were a sailor, I would jump in and salute you, whipped cream.
Boy. And then the fun part is we get to add the chocolate shavings, because it's not Bishop's pie without the chocolate shavings.
That is true. And there you go. Look at that Bishop's chocolate pie. Cannot wait to taste that. See you at the island.
Okay.
Okay, y'all, here we go.
Okay,
Bishop's
here we go.
chocolate
Bishop's
pie.
chocolate pie.
So good. So good.
Delish.
Yes.
Creamy. The
Yes.
chocolate pudding with the whipped cream, the fun shavings on top, and the secret ingredient, y'all. We had put in ice cream with this. That's what it called for. You got to put it in. It is so good and makes it creamier.
So, Ellie, thank you for deconstructing Bishop's chocolate pie for us. So darn good.
Yes, it's exactly what I remember when we went to Bishop's.
Yep. And then we decided to pair it with this great Bailey's.
Love the Bailey's. You could do it with any other dessert wine, but today, we wanted to do Bailey's because we think it's going to be a great pairing.
Oh, an awesome pairing.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this episode of Recipe Box Rewind, please let us know, like and subscribe on YouTube. And if you have a favorite family recipe you want to share with us, please do so. Just hit us up at Let's Cook at RecipeBoxRewind.com.
And Bill.
Yes, Randal.
You never know what we're going to pull out of the recipe box next.
That's right. So you better come back to find out.
Yes, please come back. And y'all, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's delicious with that.
That is over the top.
Come
That is
on back,
putting it at
guys.
the top.
Come on back. We'll see you next time.